Hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I will be showing you how to delete your WhatsApp status. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. You will see your chat list. Tap on the status from the top menu bar. Now, tap on the 3 horizontal dots. Then tap on the 3 vertical dots. From the drop-down menu, tap on Delete. Again tap on Delete. And you will delete the status on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful and you are able to delete your status on WhatsApp. If you like our video, then don't forget to hit the like button on our video and comment down if you have any question or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel.